Why do we make irrational decisions? Why do certain people influence us more than others? And how can we train our minds to work for us instead of against us? The answers lie in psychology. In today's video, we're uncovering fascinating psychological principles that can help you navigate life smarter and with more confidence. Before we dive in, take a second to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because we're always bringing you the most interesting, research-backed insights. Plus, drop a comment below. What's a psychological topic you'd love to learn more about?
You sometimes feel overwhelmed by the endless demands of parenting. Do you find yourself questioning whether you're doing it right, or if there's a secret formula to raising happy, well-adjusted kids? What if you could uncover the keys to effective parenting? This bookshot will help you to nurture your children into thriving, successful individuals. Before we dive in, take a moment to complete this small test. Reflect on your parenting style. 1. How often do you communicate openly with your child about their feelings? 2. Do you find yourself setting clear boundaries and expectations for your child? 3. How do you handle conflicts and disagreements with your child? 4. Do you regularly show affection and appreciation to your child? 5. How often do you engage in activities that your child enjoys? Hold on to your answers. By the end of this bookshot, you'll discover how these questions reveal important aspects of your parenting style and learn ways to enhance your approach. The foundation: understanding your child's psychological needs. The need for emotional security. Emotional security forms the bedrock of a child's psychological well-being. This isn't just about providing the basics like food and shelter, but about fostering an environment where your child feels safe and valued. Dr. John Bowlby, a pioneer in attachment theory, emphasized that children with secure attachments to their caregivers tend to have better mental health, fewer behavioral problems, and stronger interpersonal skills. Creating a secure attachment involves being consistently responsive to your child's needs with warmth and empathy. It's about being present, not just physically, but emotionally too. When your child knows they can rely on you, it builds a trust that forms the foundation of their emotional world. This trust is crucial, as it helps children develop a positive self-image and resilience to life's challenges. Children who feel emotionally secure are more likely to explore their environment and take healthy risks, which are essential for learning and development. For example, a child who knows they have a supportive base to return to will be more confident in trying new activities, from making friends to tackling complex school projects. Communication, the heartbeat of relationships. Effective communication is vital for building and maintaining a strong parent-child relationship. It's not just about talking to your child, but listening actively and empathetically. When children feel heard, they are more likely to open up about their experiences, which fosters a deeper connection and trust. Research by the American Psychological Association found that children who communicate openly with their parents tend to have higher academic performance, greater self-esteem, and lower levels of anxiety and depression. Creating an environment where your child feels comfortable sharing their thoughts and feelings without fear of judgment is key. This involves validating their emotions, asking open-ended questions, and showing genuine interest in their lives. For example, instead of asking, "How was your day?" you might say, "Tell me about something interesting that happened today." This invites a more detailed response and shows that you are genuinely interested in their experiences. Effective communication also means being available. Set aside dedicated time each day to talk with your child, free from distractions like phones or TV. This could be during dinner, a walk, or before bedtime. The goal is to create a regular opportunity for your child to share their thoughts and feelings. Setting boundaries, the balance of love and discipline. Setting boundaries is crucial for helping children understand the difference between right and wrong and for fostering self-discipline. However, the way these boundaries are established and enforced makes all the difference. Dr. Deanna Baumrein's research on parenting styles highlights that authoritative parenting, which combines warmth and structure, leads to the best outcomes for children. Authoritative parents set clear rules and expectations, but also explain the reasons behind them, offering guidance and support. This approach helps children understand the consequences of their actions and develop a sense of responsibility. For example, rather than simply saying, "You can't watch TV," An authoritative parent might explain, "You need to finish your homework before watching TV because your education is important for your future." By balancing love and discipline, you help your child feel secure while also teaching them important life skills. It's about being firm but fair and always coupling discipline with empathy and understanding. The role of consistency in parenting. Consistency in parenting is essential for creating a stable environment where children know what to expect. This involves being consistent in your responses, rules, and expectations. Inconsistent parenting can lead to confusion and insecurity as children are unsure of what behaviors are acceptable. Consistency doesn't mean being rigid. It means being reliable and predictable in your actions and reactions. For example, if you set a rule about screen time, stick to it. If you decide that your child should complete their homework before playing, ensure this rule is consistently enforced. Consistency helps children develop self-discipline and understand the importance of following rules. Building a healthy parent-child relationship. The power of affection and appreciation. Affection and appreciation are fundamental in building a strong parent-child relationship. When children feel loved and valued, they develop a positive self-image and a strong sense of worth. Research from the University of Notre Dame underscores the profound impact of parental affection on a child's emotional and social development. Showing affection can be as simple as a hug, a kiss, or words of affirmation. These small acts of love build a reservoir of positive feelings that your child can draw on during challenging times. Similarly, expressing appreciation for your child's efforts and achievements, no matter how small, boosts their confidence and motivation. For instance, praising your child for their effort in a school project, rather than just the final grade, encourages a growth mindset and a love of learning. The role of quality time in building relationships. Spending quality time with your child is one of the most powerful ways to strengthen your relationship. This means engaging in activities that your child enjoys and being fully present during these moments. Whether it's playing a game, reading a book, or simply talking, the key is to make your child feel valued and loved. Quality time helps children develop a sense of belonging and connection. It also provides opportunities for you to understand your child's interests, strengths, and challenges better. This understanding can help you support their development more effectively. For example, if your child loves painting, spend time doing art projects together. This not only fosters their creativity, but also shows that you value their interests. Navigating conflicts. Teaching problem-solving skills. Conflicts are inevitable in any relationship, but they can be particularly challenging in the parent-child dynamic. How you handle these conflicts can teach your child invaluable problem-solving skills. Dr. Ross Greene, a clinical psychologist and author of The Explosive Child, advocates for a collaborative problem-solving approach. This method involves 3 steps: empathy, defining the problem, and brainstorming solutions together. For example, if your child is upset about a curfew, start by expressing empathy. "I understand that you feel frustrated about the curfew." Next, define the problem. "We need to ensure you're safe, but you also want to spend time with your friends." Finally, work together to find a solution. "How about we extend the curfew on weekends if you keep us updated on your whereabouts?" This approach not only resolves the immediate conflict, but also teaches your child negotiation skills, empathy, and the importance of considering others' perspectives. Encouraging independence, the balance of support and freedom. Encouraging independence is about finding the right balance between providing support and allowing your child to take risks and make mistakes. This balance is crucial for fostering resilience and self-reliance. Dr. Maria Montessori's educational philosophy emphasizes the importance of giving children the freedom to explore and learn within a structured environment. Encourage your child to take on age-appropriate responsibilities, such as chores, homework, or managing a small allowance. Provide guidance and support, but allow them the space to figure things out on their own. For example, if your child is learning to tie their shoes, show them how it's done, then let them practice on their own, offering help only if they ask for it. By allowing your child to experience and overcome challenges, you help them build confidence and problem-solving skills. It's about being there to catch them if they fall, but not preventing them from taking the leap in the first place. The importance of shared experiences. Shared experiences such as family traditions and rituals play a significant role in building a strong parent-child relationship. These experiences create lasting memories and provide a sense of continuity and stability. They also offer opportunities for bonding and reinforcing family values. Family traditions can be as simple as a weekly movie night, a special holiday celebration, or a regular family outing. The key is to create positive, meaningful experiences that your child will cherish and look forward to. These shared moments help strengthen your family bonds and create a sense of belonging. Integrating insights from popular parenting books. The 5 Love Languages of Children by Gary Chapman. In The 5 Love Languages of Children, Gary Chapman introduces the concept of love languages, which are unique ways individuals prefer to give and receive love. The 5 love languages are words of affirmation, acts of service, receiving gifts, quality time, and physical touch. Understanding your child's primary love language can significantly enhance your ability to connect with them and meet their emotional needs. For instance, if your child's love language is words of affirmation, they will thrive on verbal encouragement and praise. Simple statements like, "I'm proud of you," or "You did a great job," can make a world of difference. If their love language is quality time, prioritize spending one-on-one time with them, engaging in activities they enjoy without distractions. This could be as simple as playing a game, reading a book together, or taking a walk. By speaking your child's love language, you ensure they feel deeply loved and understood, which strengthens your bond and enhances their emotional well-being. Practical applications of the love languages. Understanding and applying the 5 love languages can transform your parenting approach. For example, if your child's primary love language is physical touch, ensure you incorporate more hugs, high fives, and gentle touches into your daily interactions. This might seem small, but it can have a profound impact on their sense of security and happiness. Similarly, if your child's love language is acts of service, find ways to help them in meaningful ways. This could be as simple as helping them with their homework, preparing their favorite meal, or assisting them with a project. These actions show your child that you care and are willing to support them, which reinforces their sense of being loved and valued. Rich Kid, Smart Kid by Robert Kiyosaki. Rich Kid, Smart Kid by Robert Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of financial education and developing a mindset of abundance from an early age. Kiyosaki argues that traditional education often overlooks practical financial skills which are crucial for future success. Integrating these principles into your parenting can help your child develop a healthy relationship with money and a sense of financial responsibility. Start by involving your child in discussions about money and financial decisions. Explain the basics of budgeting, saving, and investing in age-appropriate terms. For example, if your child receives an allowance, encourage them to divide it into different categories: spending, saving, and giving. This simple exercise teaches them the value of money and the importance of managing it wisely. Encourage entrepreneurial thinking by supporting your child's interests and ideas for small ventures. Whether it's a lemonade stand, a dog walking service, or creating crafts to sell, these experiences teach valuable lessons about earning, planning, and the satisfaction of hard work. Fostering a mindset of abundance. Kiyosaki's approach isn't just about teaching financial skills, it's about fostering a mindset of abundance and resourcefulness. Encourage your child to see opportunities rather than limitations. For example, if your child wants a new toy or gadget, help them think of ways they could earn the money themselves. This could involve doing extra chores, starting a small business, or finding other creative ways to reach their goal. By fostering a mindset of abundance, you help your child develop resilience and problem-solving skills. They learn to see challenges as opportunities and understand that they have the power to create their own success. This mindset is invaluable in all areas of life, not just finance. Practical financial skills for children. Teaching practical financial skills can start with simple, everyday activities. For younger children, this might involve setting up a savings jar where they can deposit coins and watch their savings grow. As they get older, you can introduce more complex concepts like budgeting and investing. Involve your child in family financial decisions where appropriate. For example, if you're planning a family vacation, discuss the budget, and involve them in making decisions about how to spend the money. This not only teaches financial skills, but also helps them understand the value of money and the importance of making informed decisions. Conclusion: embracing the journey of parenting. Throughout this bookshot, we've explored the psychological aspects of successful parenting, emphasizing the importance of emotional security, effective communication, setting boundaries, and showing affection and appreciation. We've discussed the value of handling conflicts constructively, encouraging independence, and prioritizing self-care. Integrating insights from The 5 Love Languages of Children and Rich Kid, Smart Kid, we've highlighted practical strategies for enhancing your parenting approach. Parenting is an ongoing journey filled with both challenges and rewards. Embrace each moment with patience, empathy, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Remember, every effort you make to understand and support your child contributes to their growth and happiness. Revealing the test results. Reflect on your answers to the test questions. If you communicate openly, set clear boundaries, handle conflicts constructively, show affection, and engage in your child's interests, you're already on the path to successful parenting. Use the insights from this bookshot to further enhance your approach and address any areas for improvement. Practical advice to apply today: start small. Pick one area to focus on, whether it's improving communication, setting clearer boundaries, or prioritizing self-care. Gradually incorporate these strategies into your daily routine and observe the positive changes in your relationship with your child. Remember, successful parenting is a continuous process of learning, adapting, and growing together. In the words of Fred Rogers, the most important people in a child's life are their parents. They set the stage for how a child feels about themselves, others, and the world. Embrace your role with confidence and compassion, knowing that every step you take makes a difference in your child's life.
The more we understand the human mind, the better we can navigate the world around us. Psychology isn't just about theories. It's about real-life strategies that can change the way you think, feel, and act. If you enjoyed today's breakdown, make sure to like, subscribe, and explore more of our content. We cover everything from cognitive biases to emotional intelligence. And remember, join our community absolutely for free to get more information on this topic. Let's keep unlocking the secrets of the mind together. The journey doesn't end here. Click the link in the description and uncover even more exclusive knowledge, free for you.